Hi, my name's Roy Clemens. I'm a software engineer, an independent software engineer. I recently had an idea that I thought would not only help myself, but also other software developers and engineers in their jobs. One of the challenges of this particular idea was that I needed to display the user interface on a web page as a directed graph node, a series of nodes connected through relationships. I looked through both open source libraries on the internet as well as commercial offerings, and none of the open source libraries really fit the bill, what I was looking for. Some of them kind of came close, and of course I couldn't afford any of the commercial versions whatsoever, even though many of them did appear like they would meet my needs. So just when I was about to even wonder if this project was worth pursuing, I stumbled upon Syncfusion's website and came across their community license, and was really excited because they offer their controls through this license. And after reviewing the controls, especially the JavaScript controls, I realized this looks like it could really do what I wanted it to do. And plus the documentation was very thorough. So I applied for the license and obtained it, downloaded it, and indeed, yes, the JavaScript library gave me everything I needed, all the functionality I was looking for built in. I was able to, for a lot of the code, just copy and paste from their samples, and they have many samples. And in fact, one of the sample projects included a flowchart diagram, which was very close to what I was looking for. And so I used that particular example a lot and continue to review it and refer to it as I build my own UI. So I am very grateful and totally indebted to Syncfusion for providing these awesome controls for an independent developer like me who doesn't have deep pockets. But without this, without their library and this community license, I don't even know if this vision of mine would have seen the light of day, actually. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, Syncfusion, for providing this library. You've made me very happy, and I will sing your praises seriously to all my peers and on social media. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.